procedure, but I really wanted to touch home that just because this happened is not the end of the world. You at least will have the capability to crank and start the car and get out of potential harm's way. Get back to your home or either drive straight to the dealership to get it programmed. Now, I said dealership. You have other options, I guess. I don't know of them. If anybody know of other options, you can go get a key cut and program. Mind you, if this happened, you don't have a key. So, number one, you would need a key. And number two, you would need to get it programmed. The best place I know of getting such procedures done is the Dodge Chrysler dealership. So if anybody else know any different, list it in the comment. I do not know. All right, guys. So that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next. Wait a minute. Let's park, drive. Whoa, guys, I'm in gear and I ain't moving. Oh, my goodness, guys. Y'all know what happened? Oh, this was towed in. Remember, I guarantee you, in order for them to get it on the truck, they had to disconnect the truck. Oh, guys, I'm going to have to start another video. I cannot leave this one going that long. So, matter of fact, right after this, going to be another. I'll just name it part 2. I'm sorry. I'm going to show y'all what to do in the event this happened. I have no gears, and I think I know why. So, let me start another video. Stay tuned for part 2. Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is part 2. Y'all remember the Wrangler I programmed the key? Well, I got the key program, car running. But, look, guys, no gear. I'm in drive, stepping on the gas. I'm not moving. That is because I think the tow truck driver disconnected the transmission linkage from the transmission. So, when that happens, this will happen. You will not move. Now, what I got to do is find out exactly. I don't know what kind of transmission this is or nothing. Oh, God. Thank goodness it's a Jeep and it's not really low to the ground. All right, y'all look under here and tell me what y'all see. Do y'all see any linkage? All right, let's go diving. Where's the linkage? Can y'all see? I can't see, guys. Oh, right there. Yep, y'all see it? What a bunch of dummies. They're not really dummy. They did what they had to do. But guys, stop doing this. There is a procedure called shift override on just about every car now. Now, see, I don't even know if that position is actually in gear. So this could potentially roll back on you and crush you. We don't want that, guys. So let me get back up. Verify that I'm not in gear. Let me put the emergency brake on. That should be on anyway. And then we're going to come back. So, all right, hold tight, guys. All right, guys. So the gear lever is not matching up with the actual cable. So what that means, guys, they likely have, because they was trying to find a way to roll, they likely had this in neutral and then pulled it off. So what you should do, guys, pull up on them, make sure that's on at all costs. Now put the car in neutral because it seems that's what they needed to drive in. Let me put the key back in here and we're gonna go in the neutral. Now they should match. My cable coming from the transmission shifter should match the lever on the transmission. I should be able to push that rubber bushing back into place on the lever. All right, y'all ready? Let's go back down here and see. Was I correct? All right, I'm still in neutral, but thank God it's not rolling. Now, can y'all see? Is it matching? I'm pretty damn close, guys. So let me see if I can pop this on. Hold tight. Yep, I was right. I was right, guys. They had it in neutral. I'm now on there, so I should be able to. Remember, guys, the only reason the car was starting is because It was in neutral. All right. You cannot start a car in gear. The override feature or the safety feature would kick in and won't allow it. It would take that ground signal away from the starter relay. All right. So had they pulled it off in drive, you would have had no crank. See, watch. No crank. I mean, in reverse. If they pulled it off in drive, you would have had no crank. Because they pulled it off in neutral, see, I can start the car in neutral. And besides, you need to be able to pull. You can't, I'm not sure you can pull. You probably can, but it's too dangerous. So the best thing to do is for them to put it in neutral. Now, guys, this model was fairly easy to do that, okay? Just imagine if this was just say equipped with a 8-speed ZF transmission. All right, that feature would have been hard, okay? But most cars, guys, most all cars nowadays are equipped with a shift override procedure. Well, you shouldn't have to do that. There's some form of mechanism. In fact, look, they was right here, and they still didn't use it, so I don't get it. The cover is missing. What you do is stick something down in there, depress that. Remember, guys, you're likely in an emergency state, even if it's a tow truck driver. I'm sure they keep long pointed things in their truck for this reason. So he accessed the gear shift override cover, removed it, and still didn't use it. I don't get it. What's the point at that point? That little green tab, depress it, and you can move the shifter as you may and still be connected to the transmission. All right, y'all follow me? Y'all understand what I'm saying? So I don't understand why they disconnected from the transmission, unless they're trying to impress the customer, make the customer think, yeah, you really needed this tow truck. Because, guys, I'm almost sure, I'm almost certain that a customer know if the customer had, I'm almost certain the tow truck driver knew if the customer had this and the base of his key in his hand, that he likely could have started the car. But then there would be no need for the tow truck driver. So it's almost like, why would he say something? All right, guys, you cannot start a car in drive or reverse. We got that squared away. I'm in neutral. The car is running. Key is programmed. I felt a bump, so I am now in gear, and I should be able. Yes, I'm moving, guys. Man, we learned a lot today. I'm sorry it had to be a two-part. I don't like them real long videos. Plus, there's something you're going to get out of. Something you're going to get out of each one anyway, guys. So, man, I appreciate y'all watching the video. Guys, these type videos are targeted toward the DIY guys. So, for all you experienced guys, don't dog me out too bad because I'm sounding too simple. I'm speaking in simple terminology. I have to target to my two specific, to my two specific parts of the audience. All right. Out of 25,000 subscribers, I'm almost certain half of them are young, getting into the game, DIY guys, that sort of thing. All right, guys. So I'm done. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.